As a small business owner, you know the importance of having a local presence. However, aggressive advertising is rarely an option, given your limited budget and time. Even large companies that you know well, invest a good deal of their profits back into advertising their business. As a small business owner, marketing your business is essential. It does not matter if your business is small, such as a local repair shop or retail store, or large, finding the right way to communicate with new customers is critical. One of the biggest concerns a business has is getting in front of new customers. You have a great business and offer excellent products and services. Yet customers do not call, come to your store, or visit your website. The only way to improve this situation is by spreading the word about your business and letting potential customers know where you are and what you offer. In this ebook, we share online and offline tips and strategies to help grow your business. To learn more about how to market your business, see the description below. Remember to add a comment, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Your support is appreciated.